In this video, we will show you how to record purchases through purchase orders. If you need to control your inventory, purchase orders can also update inventory levels so that you can minimize your inventory costs and provide better customer prices. You must use purchase orders if your purchasing process requires that you record partial receipts of an order quantity, for example because the full quantity was not available at the vendor. If you sell items by delivering directly from your vendor to your customer as a drop shipment, then you must also use purchase orders. To create a purchase order, choose the purchase order action from the Role Center. In the Vendor field, enter the name of an existing vendor. Other fields in the purchase order window are now filled with the standard information of the selected vendor. Fill in the remaining fields in the purchase order window as necessary. You are now ready to fill the purchase order lines with inventory items or services that you want to purchase from the vendor. On the Lines Fast tab in the Item Number field, enter the number of an inventory item or service. In the Quantity field, enter the number of items to be purchased. The line amount field is updated to show the value in the direct unit cost field multiplied by the value in the quantity field. The price and line amount are shown with or without sales tax, depending on what you selected in the Prices Including Tax field on the vendor card. In the Invoice Discount Amount field, enter an amount that should be deducted from the value shown in the Total Including Tax field at the bottom of the order. If you have set up invoice discounts for the vendor, then the specified percentage value is automatically inserted in the Vendor Invoice Discount Percentage field if the criteria are met, and the related amount is inserted in the Invoice Discount Amount field. When you receive the purchase items or services, choose Post. The purchase is now reflected in inventory and financial records, and the vendor payment is activated. The purchase order is removed from the list of purchase orders and replaced with a new document in the list of posted purchase invoices.